Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Online language translation and localization. Online language translation and localization are two related but distinct concepts that play crucial roles in breaking down language barriers and making content accessible to a global audience. Let's explore each of these concepts. Online language translation. Online language translation refers to the process of converting written text or spoken words from one language into another using digital tools and resources available on the internet. It allows people who speak different languages to understand and communicate with each other. There are various online translation services and tools available that utilize machine translation, human translation, or a combination of both. Machine translation, MT. Machine translation utilizes algorithms and artificial intelligence to automatically translate text from one language to another. It is a fast and cost-effective method for translating large volumes of content. However, the quality of machine translation can vary, and it may not always accurately capture the context and nuances of the source text. Preprocessing. The input text is analyzed and any formatting or structural elements are identified and handled accordingly. This step may involve tokenization, sentence splitting, and other language-specific processing. Language modeling. Machine translation systems use language models to understand the source language and its grammatical structure. These models help the system interpret the meaning of the input text. Translation. During this step, the system generates the translated output based on its understanding of the source language. Different machine translation approaches may use various techniques, including rule-based methods, statistical methods, and neural machine translation. Post-processing. The generated translation may undergo post-processing to handle any errors or inconsistencies and improve overall fluency. Human translation. Human translation involves professional translators or bilingual individuals who manually translate the content. This approach ensures higher accuracy and context-sensitive translations, making it suitable for critical and sensitive materials, such as legal documents, marketing materials, and medical content. Language proficiency. Human translators are typically fluent in both the source language, the language of the original text, and the target language, the language into which the text is being translated. They have a strong command of grammar, vocabulary, idiomatic expressions, and linguistic subtleties in both languages. Contextual understanding. Human translators can comprehend the context and meaning behind the source text, which is crucial for conveying the intended message accurately in the translated version. They consider the purpose of the translation, the target audience, and the cultural appropriateness of the content. Cultural sensitivity. Translators are aware of cultural differences and sensitivities between languages and regions. They adapt the translation to respect cultural norms, customs, and preferences, making the content relevant and relatable to the target audience. Subject matter expertise. In specialized fields such as legal, medical, technical, or marketing translation, human translators often have expertise or experience in the specific domain. This ensures accurate and precise translation of industry-specific terminology. Proofreading and quality assurance. Human translation involves a rigorous process of proofreading and quality assurance to identify and correct any errors or inaccuracies in the translation. This step helps ensure the final output is of high quality and meets the client's requirements. Hybrid translation. Some online translation platforms combine machine translation with human review and editing. This hybrid approach aims to leverage the speed of machine translation while improving the quality and accuracy through human intervention. Human review and editing. After the machine translation output is generated, it is passed on to a human translator for review and editing. The human translator carefully examines the machine-generated translation, corrects any errors, refines the language, and ensures that the translation is accurate and contextually appropriate. Post-editing. The process of human review and editing is referred to as post-editing. Post-editing involves adjusting the machine-generated translation to make it sound more natural, improving its fluency, and ensuring that it aligns with the desired tone and style. Efficiency. The use of machine translation as a starting point can significantly speed up the translation process, especially for large volumes of content. The human translator does not have to start from scratch, saving time and effort. Cost effectiveness. Hybrid translation can be more cost-effective than full human translation, as the initial machine-generated translation reduces the workload for human translators. Consistency. By using a machine translation system, hybrid translation can ensure greater consistency in terminology and style across the translated content. Quality improvement. The human review and editing step in hybrid translation help enhance the accuracy and quality of the translation. Human translators can correct any errors introduced by the machine translation system and add cultural nuances that machine translation may miss. Domain-specific expertise. Human translators can bring their subject matter expertise to the translation process, ensuring accuracy and precision in specialized fields. Online translation services. Numerous online platforms and websites offer translation services, where users can submit their text or documents to be translated. These platforms may offer machine translation, human translation, or a combination of both, depending on the user's needs and preferences. Language pair support. Online translation services typically support a wide range of language pairs, allowing users to translate content between numerous languages. Common language pairs include English-Spanish, English-Chinese, French-German, etc. Text translation. Users can input written text into the online platform, and the service will provide the translated output in the desired target language. Document translation. Many online translation services allow users to upload entire documents in various formats, e.g., Word, PDF, for translation. This is particularly useful for translating business documents, legal papers, academic articles, and more. Website localization. Some advanced online translation services offer website localization features, enabling businesses to translate their websites and adapt them to specific regions or language markets. Real-time translation. Certain online translation tools offer real-time translation capabilities, which allow for immediate translation of spoken language during video calls, live chat sessions, or voice interactions. Real-time translation. Some communication tools and apps provide real-time translation services. For example, during a video call or live chat, these tools can translate spoken language instantly, allowing participants who speak different languages to communicate effectively. Localization. Localization is the process of adapting content, products, or services to suit the linguistic, cultural, and regional preferences of a specific target audience. It goes beyond mere translation to consider various aspects, such as date formats, currencies, units of measurement, images, colors, symbols, and even cultural norms. For example, when localizing a website or software application, the content and user interface elements are translated into the target language, and all other elements are adjusted to align with the cultural preferences of the target audience. This ensures that the user experience feels natural and familiar to the users in their respective regions. Localization is essential for businesses and organizations seeking to expand their reach to international markets. By offering products and services tailored to the local culture and language, they can enhance user engagement, increase customer satisfaction, and improve overall market penetration. Combining translation and localization. Online language translation and localization often go hand in hand, especially for businesses operating on a global scale. When expanding to new markets, companies typically need to translate their content into the local languages, and then adapt it to meet the cultural expectations and preferences of each target audience. As the internet continues to connect people worldwide, the demand for accurate and culturally relevant translation and localization services will only increase, making these fields crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.